This full lace braided wig is from Express Wig Braids. This is Stella straight out of the packaging. Stella is a 100% human hair full lace wig, and she's styled with the Expression Canacolin braiding hair. She's in a color 1B and she's 30 inches long. In cutting my lace, I always cut in sections. This is much easier for me. Now I'm going to apply Stella. The first application is going to be just with my wig grip on and the elastic band that it came with. Stella has 3 combs as well as the adjustments. Now the cap fits really comfortably, and so this is why I can wear Stella with my wig grip. This is a medium-sized cap. That's the wig grip test. She is not going anywhere. But for you ladies that like to add glue to your wigs, of course you can use the Got To Be Glue spray. Now to remove your wig from this Got To Be Glue hold, I have found that you can add water, your favorite conditioner, and your favorite hair oil. Mix it up in a bottle. Spray, saturate that front perimeter until the glue releases the wig. And this will not cause damage to your wig nor your own hair. We have added the Got To Be Glue gel to style those baby hairs. And now we're going to tie a scarf around it, and we're going to wait about 10 minutes and let it dry. Okay, it's dry, and so we're going to add a top bun to Stella, and we are ready. Stella is beautiful, loving the jewelry, loving the style, loving the comfort of this wig. Okay guys, so you saw how Stella's cap construction looked and all the things that were done to her. This is a beautiful bag that it comes with that you can use for storage. It has Express Wig Braids logo on it, and also the jewelry that we have adorned in this beautiful cornrow braided wig. Thank you so much, Express Wig Braids, for including this in my wig order. Very nice. I love all the little jewelry and how we adorned it. I mean, look at this beauty. She is gorgeous. She makes me look good, you know. Now I love this because this wig is not heavy feeling. I know I have a wig on. I guess because I've gotten used to wearing braided wigs now, but this one is really not heavy, guys, and I'm loving that. Now this company is based out of Boston, Massachusetts. Let me just say this, the customer service that I was given was top notch. Really love the customer service. I love the quality of the braids. I love the wig itself. Just a beautiful cornrow wig. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.